What's up, Dream Media family? This is Zach. Welcome back to another episode. Today, I have the absolute pleasure of doing an unboxing video on the FLAX Aria Evo X number 2 in the green moss high gloss finish. Guys, I am absolutely obsessed with this color, and I've always been a huge fan of the Aria series from FLAX. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the upgrades to the FLAX Aria lineup, in addition to taking a close look at the number 2. If you guys would like to purchase, Dream Media has an online store where we ship nationwide, and we also have preferred installers in 28 different states who can help you get it put in if you don't want to do it yourself. So reach out today and show your support. All right, guys, so let's get into this video. All right, guys, so I made a video, an unboxing video on the FLAX Aria Evo X center speaker, and now we're gonna be checking out the number 2. I really like how they've created a whole series, and they always do that at FLAX. They have a center speaker, bookshelf speakers, floor standing speakers. These are gonna be perfectly matched with our 300 series architectural in-wall and in-ceiling speakers, so we can really do full-blown home theaters with the Aria lineup. All right, guys, I'm gonna get into some of the technical specifications in just a moment, but I just wanted to pull this puppy out of the box. Let's take it out. All right, they're gonna include a little quick start guide. They have a cleaning cloth so that you can keep the fingerprints off. Like I said, they do have a number 2, 3, and 4 if you want a little bit more low-end excursion out of your towers, in addition to the center speaker and the bookshelf, which I'll be reviewing in upcoming videos. Warranty, guys, when you're purchasing online, you gotta be careful. You wanna make sure you're purchasing from an authorized reseller. Dream Media is honored to be authorized to sell every single brand that's currently offered through our website. Looks like down here, we got some screws for the feet, and it looks like they have some little pucks too if you're gonna put it on hardwood. We're gonna be putting this on the carpet, so I'll be putting the carpet spikes in, and it looks like we have our stand down here. All right, so here's our base plate. Really nice, solid steel construction. Included screws and a little tool and Allen key. This is going to be for adjusting our legs like that. Next, we're gonna go ahead and pull the speaker out of the box. What I like to do is roll the speaker up like this, and then we'll just pull it right out. Got a nice magnetic grill here. Okay, our magnetic grill. And then now I'm gonna flip it upside down again so that I can put my feet on. All right, guys, so when putting the base on, the front two, they kind of go out and have more of a curve to it. It's gonna be the front of the speaker. So we're gonna set it just like that. And we're gonna grab our Allen keys right here with our screws. And we're gonna go ahead and secure our base. I do want to show you guys an up close shot of the base. As you can see right here, that little carpet spike comes right up from down below. Easy, just like that. Wow, look at that green finish with the natural light. I also wanted to show you guys how there's that port under there. You can kind of position the speaker upward. If you just continue to screw in your carpet spikes, you can get a slightly higher grade to your dispersion if, say, your seating area is a little higher, or if you have multiple rows of seating. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and flip it over. And the big reveal. Woo! Man, what a beautiful speaker. I just love, as you can see from my house, these FLAX woofers. Absolutely incredible response. And then they have right here their new TAM aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeter that features their new M-shaped tweeter. This F sandwich technology with the FLAX woofers and then the enhanced new aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeter. The Aria has already been an amazing performer for us and all our customers here at Dream Media, but they're just making it that much better. It's an absolutely stunning speaker. Honestly, if I had a little more space, these would be living here in the home. I just like the end walls because it's a smaller form factor, but looks like we do have a front firing port as well as a down firing port. So this could be placed extremely close to the wall and still give you really nice performance. Some of those speakers that have rear firing ports, you really need to get them out in the room for them to respond well. Whereas these are built for Europe, guys. So this speaker would be a great selection for this application, as well as many of your other homes around America where you need the floor space. All right, I'm gonna grab the camera, bring you guys up a little bit closer to take a peek at this thing up close and personal. Really interesting finish, because as you guys can see over on this side here, it actually looks almost black. And then if you come over to the other side, it's like extremely green. Very interesting. Let's check out the back side as well. As you guys can see down in here, we do have some pretty typical binding posts. This is just gonna be a demonstration of the grill going on and off. We got the grill on and grill off. So very nice magnetic grills. We got the left speaker here, right speaker will be installed over there, and then we got our nice center speaker grill as well. This is kind of, I'm just gonna cover up my ultra short there for now. This is kind of the aesthetic that you would be looking at, and then I'll put this one over here to the right in just a moment. I'm gonna take the grills off. All right, let's get the other one out of the box. I have the brand new Evo Aria X's hooked up. I just did a quick swap on my Focal 302s, which I'm currently using as my front left, right, and center, since it is an LCR. And I have two PB16 Ultras from SBS at the rear of the room for my low frequency bass. I'm gonna be hooking these up, and then I'll give you some of my honest thoughts on the performance difference between the two. This will be great because I've been living with the 302s in the home for about a year now. I'm expecting better clarity in my high frequency with this TAM M-shaped tweeter, as well as some more low frequency excursion out of my front end on these front, left, right, and centers with these bigger woofers and mid-range drivers. So we got the Evo X center, Evo X number 2s flanking left and right in place of my Focal 302. YouTube's been very strict here recently, guys. I haven't been able to really do demos on YouTube because of copyright, but I'm gonna listen to at least 3 to 5 songs, chill out, and I'll let you know my thoughts. So another thing to notate, guys, is I do have the front left and right speaker towed in about 10-15 degrees towards my target listening area. All right, guys, so that does conclude my listening experience on the brand new Evo X's. I've already heard these at the Florida Audio Expo as well as the Expono trade show, but I haven't had time to really sit and listen to these puppies. So over the next couple weeks, I'll just be kicking back and relaxing. But right off the bat, you know, that new TAM M-shaped tweeter with the magnesium aluminum tweeter sounds absolutely tack sharp, incredible clarity, and our mid-range is definitely more impactful. So if you're wanting a little more oomph, it'd definitely be a worthy investment to go up to the number 2s from, say, their number 1 bookshelf speaker. Evo X is built to perform. We got nice mid-range, we got clean highs, very impressive speaker for the money. At the heart of the number 2 tower speaker is Focal's innovative inverted M-shaped dome TAM tweeter. Crafted of aluminum and magnesium, this tweeter not only offers a wide dispersion pattern for accurate imaging, but it also delivers lightning quick, high frequency response thanks to its low moving mass. Nestled within a soft urethane plate with a waveguide, the tweeter ensures that highs are beautifully tamed and dispersed in an immersive listening experience. Driving the mid-range frequencies is the 6.5-inch FLAX mid-range woofer. It's lightweight yet rigid construction with the TMD tuned mass dampener surround. This driver tightly controls cone movement, resulting in natural, uncolored mid-range response that brings your music to life. And when it comes to bass, the number 2 tower speaker doesn't disappoint. Thanks to the dual 6.5-inch FLAX cone woofers that deliver solid, impactful lows. Focal doesn't stop there. They've also incorporated their signature power flow ports into the design of the number 2 tower speaker. These ports allow air to move in and out of the cabinet, providing a deeper bass and greater authority to your music. You'll feel every beat with the clarity and precision of the Focal number 2. In terms of design, the Focal number 2 tower speaker features an aluminum alloy base with integrated adjustable spikes, making it ideal for both carpeted and hard floors. And with binding posts that accept a variety of connectors, including pins, spade lugs, banana connectors, or bare wire, setup is a breeze. With a frequency response of 45 to 3000 Hertz, plus or minus 3 dB, recommended power amplifier is 40 to 240 watts. And the sensitivity of 91.5 dB, Focal number 2 tower speaker is capable of handling a wide range of audio sources with ease. And to top it off, it is backed with a 5-year manufacturer warranty. You can enjoy peace of mind knowing that your investment is protected. The Focal Aria Evo X number 2 tower speaker is a powerhouse of audio performance, delivering unrivaled sound quality and versatility in a sleek and stylish package. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile or a casual listener, this speaker is sure to impress. All right, Dream Media family, that is a wrap on my quick unboxing video of the brand new Focal Aria Evo X in the number 2 green moss finish. This is high gloss and wow. I just did a quick unboxing here today. In upcoming videos, I'm gonna share my thoughts of the performance of these speakers. As you've seen over the years, I've literally reviewed, unboxed, installed in customers' homes around the country, every single Focal speaker there is. Whether it's their outdoor line, the Latora, SAT speakers, rock speakers, or it's architectural speakers throughout the home for whole house audio, or dedicated home cinema, their 1000 series, as well as their 300 and 100 series architectural speakers. And then we've checked out their new Tevia, Vestia, and now the Aria Evo X in the box speaker lineup. In every single series, Focal makes a full range, and it really just brings a smile to my face as an integrator, because I know the sales team is trying to accomplish the absolute best quality systems that we can within y'all's budgets around the country. So with this line, it gives us the ability to easily pair together a center, front, left, and right towers, or maybe some bookshelves in the rear of the room, and also add in our 300 series architectural speakers. In this room right here, guys, overhead I have their Focal 300 series A6 aimable speakers that also feature the FLAX woofers and the aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeters. And then at the rear of the room I have their ICW6s, their standard in-ceiling speakers, same technology makeup. And then at the rear of the room, I have the Focal IW6s, which are specifically built for in-wall installation versus in ceiling. So for us to hand curate packages that all have the same tonal balance and try to deliver the ultimate home theater experience to you guys, Focal is always going to be top on my list. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative and helping you make a buying decision. Keep in mind, I'll have more in-depth videos coming up after I've spent some time with the product in-house. So be sure to stay tuned for those upcoming videos. If you like this one, give us a big thumbs up and make sure to smash that subscribe button down below for more. If you would like to purchase anything home theater or audio video related, reach out today for a free video consultation with one of my specialists. We're nationwide, have installers in 28 different states. If you know what you want to buy, you can just shop online anytime. Thank you for everybody's support. Till next time, this is Zach with Dream Media Home Theater. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.